Today, I want to show you how to go viral on YouTube Shorts and 7 ways that I recommend to make a viral YouTube Short video. I've had a lot of my YouTube Shorts that have had over 1 million views, just like the one that you see here. I've added 5.3 thousand subscribers and it's still getting 4,000 views every 48 hours, even a year after I've posted it. I've had a lot of YouTube Shorts videos that have been getting hundreds of thousands of views. For the video today, I'm going to be using a tool called Submagic. It's actually really useful and helps you a lot with creating viral YouTube Shorts. So you can grab your free account, just click the link in the description below. So go ahead, sign up, and then you can follow this tutorial along with me. And for this, first of all, we're going to create a new project. So I'm going to go here, project, create new video. Here, I'm just going to upload my draft video that I shot. It's like a video where I'm telling how to grow tomatoes. We're going to be working through this video together using this as an example. So let's click upload. The video is uploaded, so let's go ahead and change the size of the video to grand portrait like this. Next, let's go to trim the video, and this is a really cool feature that I love. So you've got the full breakdown of exactly what I'm saying in the video because Submagic automatically transcribes the video for you into these captions. And you can see there are pauses. There is a 9-second pause, 3.5-second pause. So there is a feature that actually removes the silences for you automatically. So I can just click here and say remove 6 silence for 28.6 seconds. All right, like this, and it's done. It's just cut out all that silence instantly for you. So we can now go ahead and play it, and you'll see that it's actually skipping all the silence. Here is how you can grow awesome tomatoes. Step 1, you need to make sure. So you can see it's automatically cut out and chopped out all the silences, which is really good. Next, you'll see that there is a portion here where I'm starting to say something and then it's just a bad take. If you want to learn exactly how I did that, okay, so it's just a bad take. All I really need to do is just click delete it like this, and it's instantly gone. Okay, so you can just skim through everything, make sure that what is left is only the stuff that you really need. So I'm happy with that. Let's just click save and we can move to the next step. Next, you've got captions. Very, very important. Good captions can really boost your video and help you go viral on YouTube Shorts. And there are several pre-made styles of captions that you can use. So you can use Hormozi 1, Hormozi 2, Hormozi 3, or any of these other ones. You can use Mr. Beast style captions, which is really cool because it's just one click to set it up. So let's go with Hormozi 3 for this video. And then you can adjust the settings, you can adjust the position. If you want it to appear a little bit higher, you can do that. Just change position Y over here. You can add highlight colors. And then from here, we can just go to captions. And basically from here, you can control exactly how your captions appear. And if you want to change something and bring it to the next line, for example, you can do that from here very easily. So just skim through everything, make sure you're happy with this. Like for example, if I want awesome tomatoes to be on the same screen, I can just do that. I can click on awesome and then just say move to the next line, and just like that, it's done it. So let's preview this. Here is how you can grow awesome tomatoes. Step 1, you need to make sure that you buy the... Okay, so you can see just like that, we've created really highly engaging captions, which is really, really good and quick. Cool, so this is all looking really nice. Next, I'll show you how to quickly add B-rolls, which is really powerful. Let's go to B-rolls over here. You've got a couple of options. The first is to use Magic B-rolls, so everything's done for you automatically. So let's just say I want 40% of my footage to be B-rolls. Okay, I can just click Magic B-rolls and it'll do it automatically. You can see where it has added the B-rolls. It added it here and then here at the end. It's also actually going to add auto zoom for your video as well. So let's preview how it looks like now. Here is how you can grow awesome tomatoes. Step 1, you need to make sure that you buy the best high quality organic tomato seeds. Step 2, I mean, this is looking pretty good already because it's looking a lot more lively and it's just automatically found relevant footage for you. Of course, you can also have got manual control over this, so you can add B-rolls very quickly like this. If you want to add a B-roll but just to a part of this, here you can just highlight this, say split into a new line, and then you can just add B-roll manually into this portion only. Say we want a B-roll, we want the video, and then here we can say tomato, and let's just take this bit of footage over here, okay, and click apply. Step 2, make sure that you get awesome soil. So this was pretty cool and wasn't too hard, so it's a nice feature. And I really love these controls that you get because they're better than a lot of other editors that I've personally used, because you can create these transition animations just from here and they all look really nice. Very good selection of transitions to really make your videos dynamic. There's also a couple of other features. For example, Submagic will analyze the content of your video and will create the hook for you. So it's understood that you've got 3 steps. So it's actually created the title to say 3 steps to grow awesome tomatoes, and it's even inserted the little emoji mark. Likewise, you can use with the AI description and hashtags feature. All right, so it's gone ahead and chosen the hashtags for you to use. So for example, if you wanted to upload it to Instagram, all you need to do is just copy and paste, or you can regenerate. So go and regenerate this and you'll get a new version. You can also add music with one click, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to play this for you and you'll see what we've created together. Here is how you can grow awesome tomatoes. Step 1, you need to make sure that you buy the best high quality organic tomato seeds. Step 2, make sure that you get awesome soil. Step 3, you can see the transitions and it just keeps it very dynamic and much more enjoyable and much more viewable. So it should definitely help you go viral. So next, a very important and powerful tip is to check your analytics and go into this new inspiration tab, because it will help you find some good ideas for your videos. It'll show you what kind of shorts your viewers are already watching so that you can get some ideas and create similar content. For example, you can see here, I've got some suggestions about what kind of things my viewers are searching for right now. So these are what people are looking for, okay? And this gives me some ideas for the videos, but I want to scroll down, and where it says make a short, it's suggesting to me to make shorts about these types of videos, and I can click show all. And YouTube is actually telling you that these are good ideas for you to make videos about because your audience is interested in them and there is little competition. Next, in the audience tab, check this out. If you scroll down, and you'll see here that it says what your audience watches in the last 7 days. You can then go to shorts and you will see what kind of shorts they've been watching. So that means that your audience loves these shorts, and you can create a similar short. It will suggest you the ideas, and you'll definitely get inspiration from this and get some ideas. If your audience is already watching these shorts, if you create a similar short, then it's very likely that you're going to be able to get high views from your audience, and that'll give your video a push and help you create a viral short video. Next, make sure that you utilize YouTube search capability and insert good keywords into the titles of your shorts. Look at this, my best viewed shorts are all targeting search terms. If I go into here, you'll see that this is still getting 4,000 views every 48 hours, and all of the traffic basically is coming from YouTube search. And if we look at the analytics for this, you will see these are the keywords that people are typing in: YouTube Shorts earnings, YouTube Shorts monetization, how to make money on YouTube. I've made sure that I'm inserting all of these keywords into the title and the description of my YouTube short. So YouTube Shorts earnings, let's check the details. Okay, and there we go. It's right here. I've decided to share my shorts earnings with you. This is how YouTube knows that if someone searches for this, my video will be likely to come up in YouTube search. And sure enough, if I take this and I search for it in a incognito tab, YouTube Shorts earnings, let's see, and then we'll look for shorts here at the top. Yep, my video is right there. It's ranking and it's getting ongoing evergreen views, which is awesome. Let me know what you guys thought of this Submagic tool. I mean, I think it just makes the process of creating a good engaging video a lot simpler and faster. It's got a lot of functions packed into one package. If you want to grab your free account, just go and click the link in the description below. If you then decide to upgrade, there is a coupon CB10 which will give you a 10% discount on the paid plans. And if you want to get my free guide where I show how I make about $1,000 a day online over the last 12 months, by simply posting these very short clips on YouTube and Instagram, you can go to fastervideos.com. You'll land at this page. We've got a special at the moment where you can get $0 access for a 7-day trial. So you can check it out and see if it's something that you would like to continue with or not. We've got a ton of proof and results. So just go to fastervideos.com and you'll be able to access this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.